You know, I mean, I'm like pretty calm, but I'm also like, oh my god, it's fucking.
Yeah, because it's the what is it, the not knowing. Like. What up? So we're in New Brunswick, New Jersey. Nice little 2-hour trip. It's a big day. I got my friend Steve, who is known in the hair community as the Salon Guy. I've been communicating with him for about 2 months. He wants to get SMP. First we were talking hair systems. And I came down here today to start his first session. We're going back and forth for some time because he wasn't sure if he really wanted to do the procedure. He's been doing his research and it's a lot of shit work out on in the Google world, thanks to all these master SMP artists. So he was debating whether he wanted to do this or not. Gave me a shout, told me he liked my work, looked realistic, and we're here today, man. I'm excited. Let's get it.
I drank like 2 bottles of tequila before this.
Nice.
I'm good.
So now we don't gotta worry about you bleeding, right?
No. So we're gonna basically, I have one of these stools you can sit on. I don't know what you prefer, but did you ever work on one of these?
That's perfect.
Yeah.
That's what I use.
Okay.
Like that.
This way, just so I can set the camera up to that. Life-changing thing. I'm like, you know,
All right.
I feel like I'm, you know, I mean, I'm like pretty calm, but I'm also like, oh my god, it's fucking.
Yeah, because it's not knowing. Like, is it really gonna?
Yeah.
But that's why with the hairline simulation, that's gonna put you at ease.
Yeah. So we'll look at it, but I'll let you
go
get
like that
through.
right now.
Huh?
Go ahead. Oh yeah, you're good.
I want my shit right above my eyebrow.
No, dude, no
like
way.
this.
No
Right
way.
here. No,
That is the biggest, right? Where we, they always like, oh, I want my
hairline attached to my eyebrow. I don't even want a hairline.
So but this is the
eyebrows
thing.
back.
Here's what I say, like, all right, so you see, you talk, you're like me, like you're very animated when you talk. So dude, just picture your hairline is gonna be.
I'm putting my head and my future in his hands.
I am putting my future in his head.
Nobody knows who I am,
it.
so it doesn't matter. All right, nobody watches me. I have.
No.
Don't worry about it. No one's gonna care.
And you've likely heard about the Salon Guy. He's millions of views on YouTube. He's worked with a lot of stars. His hair tutorials, they're everywhere.
How's it going?
Good.
Welcome.
So
this is Steven.
Yes, the Salon Guy.
AKA the Salon Guy.
Thank you, brother, man. Listen, so Steven, listen. You might have heard this.
So today serves as the foundation, one, because it lets you see, all right, this is good. And if you wanted to make any adjustments for the second one, like I say, you go, Dave, I think the hairline's still too high, let's bring it down some. We can do that for the second. Probably still even do that today. Yeah. But the main purpose of the first session is to see how your scalp metabolizes the pigment.
Okay. And you can tell right away, or
hold it nice and tight.
Okay.
Is it gonna keep the impression nice and tight? Is it gonna open very little? Not like when I say that, I don't want you to envision like, oh wow, now it's a big dot. No, but sometimes just a little bit. You know, with the hair, the scalp, the oils, all that contributes to it. That's how I'll know. So then when it comes for the second session, I'll know just how dense I need to go.
All right, so David is here and he's ready to go, and now he's going to take over the show.
What's going on, guys? Dave Santiago here from Scalp Solutions. I came down to see Steven at his studio. We're gonna be performing his first session of Scalp Micropigmentation.
Film the whole process, so everyone just follow along. It's gonna be a long kind of process. We'll chop it down to make it so it's not like a 3-hour video, but I'm really excited and I'm really in good hands. He's also a Marine, so he made me do 30 push-ups as soon as he walked in.
Up. We gotta get him pumped up. Put a little discipline into that body.
That's right.
Steve's a little antsy because he doesn't know what to expect because he is that anxious to look amazing. He's gonna get his sexy back, guys. He's just sexy. rough right here. This is just so we have a base.
Were you ever like an artist?
Yes.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
That's why a lot of guys I noticed that are barbers are artists, man. They draw and shit.
I was very big on graffiti. I still do it.
Oh. Were you tagging places up? Like
I was. When I was a kid. I was a freaking hot mess.
Is this like hair fiber?
Yeah.
Oh man. A lot of barbers use this stuff, right?
Yeah. But I brought it over with the SMP because it helps me to help establish a better visual for the hair. So you see, like,
Crazy, dude. I look like
and right now it's overpowering because the side. If we had this down, but that's just if you.
that looks friggin' phenomenal. I mean, it looks perfect. It looks crazy.
So you see, and I didn't go straight back.
Yeah. I mean,
I curved it.
whatever you did looks friggin' great.
To look at it, I want you to find an imperfection, because if there is none,
Do you
we
think?
going live.
Yeah.
The remainder of Steven's scalp. So you see he's got that very subtle stubble, and he's also got some salt and pepper going on. So that's what we wanted to do with the technique. We kind of wanted to make sure we went a little lighter and then darker on some areas. So it kind of created that stubble effect and that 5 o'clock shadow look. And we went with natural hairline. Natural meaning it's got like a natural transition into the forehead. It's not a very sharp, defined line as you would get, you know, at a barbershop. And very
Wow, look
slightly
at that. Now you can really see
in
it.
the corners, kind of went in just a little widow's peaks to show some. Oh yeah, right there you can really see that.
Damn.
Look at those.
Nuts, man.
Dude, your Tinder profile is gonna be on fire.
I gotta reactivate it. I shut it down. Now, you know, forget it.
Yeah, but here's what I'm gonna show you. Today, you are gonna wash your scalp.
Oh yeah?
But here's what we do. We're gonna do a quick little, right? Water's on. You're gonna wet, soap, wash.
Do it today?
Yeah.
Because I've seen people say, oh, don't wash your hair for like 2-3 days.
Some people wet heal, some people dry heal. But think about it like this: when you dry, what happens to the skin? Right, it starts formulating, it starts pushing up. That's it's gonna start
Pushes.
lifting the pigment.
Yeah.
And yours is already light. Keep it moisturized.
Okay. Damn, dude, what the hell? What the hell did you do? How'd you make it look so good?
Appreciate you,
Get home
man.
safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.